Hi guys, my name is Carol. Today we're going to be doing soca aerobics. It's going to be fun. Try don't look like me, look like yourself. Everybody just have fun. Throw away all inhibitions and let's go. Ready? Yeah. I want to see you dancing and having fun. Come on, come on.
We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. 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 Ready.
Come on, here we go. Huh.
Ready. We're ready. We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. 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 Ready.
Circle.
Ready.
Circle.
Look how the sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up. The girl never wind non-stop. We are the drinks them in a bike up.
This workout workout, it never bad. But me I tell you, it's a proper exercise me get well because the whole of my muscle them paying up right now. You know, me get a proper move. Foot and everywhere I move, you understand? So the whole body get a proper workout today.
Hey girl, bend your back, bubble panda, kick, bend your tack, everything shot. Hey girl, bend your back, bubble panda.
It was excellent. You don't know we are dancer from a long time, so the moves are never really coming like nothing, but very effective, love it. I encourage anyone to come and do it. You can come to Fit Farm and come to the class at any time. Mad.
Well, it was fun. The soca styles was fun, but I don't know. I need like a double D40 because enough of my giants them kind of squeeze up. Yeah.
Soca styles for me was exciting. That's my type of music. I got the chance to move my waist and free myself. You know, I was less tense. Even if I never know somebody move them, I do it and my body still work, all my muscles worked. It was very good.
What do you mean me can't whine? Me can whine.
Yo, yo.
But you know, if your body tired, you try work the, you know, race and thing, but the body tired. But I still try to do my thing. Me can whine, man. Me can't do my thing. But
When we touch down,
Really can't go on with that little thing. She need a little bit more double D40. The waistline kind of rusty, but she get in there. You know, she need to come to class more often.
Everett,
What?
talk true.
Can I do a thing whenever say out of 10 I give 6?
No,
You want 10?
no, I was a 9.9 out of 10.
we black and we green. See, all a girl inside a band, make she bend and stick. She.
Time for this week's fitness tip.
So you're at home or at the office and you need to work your biceps. Well, here are some tips for you. You would first need 2 iCool water bottles. Hold them tight and firm in your arms. Extend them down to your sides, keeping your elbows close. And curl up, bending the elbows, bringing your arms up to your chest, then down again. You would need 3 to 4 sets of 15. Breathe in as you're extending down, breathing out as you're curling up. Here are some exercises for your lower back. You can use 2 iCool water bottles. Standing with your legs shoulder width, toes pointing forward, you will hold those water bottles right before your thighs. Slight bend on the knees, you're going to bend at the waist until your back is parallel to the ground. Then we straighten up again. You repeat for 3 to 4 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Here's a very good stretch for that lower back you just worked. Arms in front, interlocking your fingers, palms turning, facing out. Round your back, keep a slight bend on the knees, and extend your arms as far as they can go. Hold for 15 seconds or 15 count.
We switch things up with a challenge on the other side of the break. You won't want to miss this. Up top!
Come on, Shabba. Some people might can't do a while ago.
True.
That me I tell you.
All right, breathe. Move on. Stop coming on. Relax.
Oh God, me feel